In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook sync issues, step by step, 2026. If emails aren't arriving, stuck in Outbox, or your folders look out of date, follow along and we'll walk through simple checks to get Outlook syncing again. Start with the basics. Confirm your internet connection. Open your web browser and try loading any website. If the page doesn't load, toggle your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and back on, then reboot your computer or phone. Once you're back online, reopen Outlook and see if messages update. If nothing changes, perform a manual refresh. Open Outlook, go to the Send/Receive tab, and choose Update folder to refresh the current folder, or Send/Receive all folders to sync your entire mailbox. This is often enough to kick a stalled sync back into gear. Next, rule out a service outage. Visit the Microsoft Service Status page and check whether Outlook shows any active issues. If there's an outage, the best fix is patience. Keep working locally and try again later. Now verify your sync settings inside Outlook. Go to File, choose Options, then Advanced. Look for the Send/Receive section and make sure Automatic Send/Receive is enabled. If you use scheduled Send/Receive groups, confirm your account is included and that the frequency suits your workflow. If syncing is still unreliable, remove and re-add the email account. Go to File, open Account Settings, select your account, and choose Remove. Close and relaunch Outlook, then add the account again. Re-adding forces Outlook to build a fresh connection and can clear corrupted profile data. Be sure you know your sign-in details before you start. Keeping Outlook current also matters. In Outlook, go to File, then Office Account, select Update Options, and click Update Now. Let updates finish completely. Some fixes only apply after a restart of Outlook. Check your device's storage next. Low disk space can block downloads and attachments. Review your storage, delete files or apps you no longer need, empty the recycle bin, and then restart Outlook to try syncing again. Finally, on desktop, make sure Outlook isn't set to work offline. Open Outlook, go to the Send/Receive tab, and confirm work offline is not turned on. When it's off, the status bar should no longer show working offline. Follow these steps in order and you should see your mail flowing again. Thanks for watching and happy troubleshooting.